Welcome back, decor enthusiasts. 2025 is here, and with it, a wave of incredible new trends that are reshaping home interiors. From bold colors to sustainable materials, we've got a roundup of the hottest trends you'll want to try. Let's dive in. Maximalist minimalism. First up, 2025 is blending two worlds, minimalism and maximalism. Think of it as maximalist minimalism, where clean lines meet rich textures and bold statement pieces. It's about achieving that clean, open feel but adding eye-catching items that turn heads. Imagine a sleek room with a vibrant, oversized art piece or unique sculpture. This trend is all about balance. Earthy and organic. Next, organic is in. Earthy tones, natural fibers, and sustainable woods are taking center stage. You'll see a lot of muted greens, clay browns, and soft terracotta. These colors create a calming atmosphere, while natural materials like bamboo, jute, and reclaimed wood add authenticity and warmth. It's all about bringing the outdoors in. Mixed metals. Mixed metals are big in 2025. Gone are the days of sticking to one finish. Now, it's about mixing gold, brass, copper, and even black metals for a layered, luxe look. Try blending brass and matte black fixtures in your kitchen or bathroom to add depth and character. Mixing metals creates a look that's both modern and timeless. Curved furniture and shapes. Curves are making a comeback. 2025 is all about soft, organic shapes that bring a sense of comfort and relaxation. From rounded sofas to circular tables, these pieces add a soft, inviting look to any space. If you want a trendy, modern feel, go for curvy, swooping furniture that's cozy and stylish. Bold color accents. Neutrals aren't going anywhere, but bold accents are stepping in. Think jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and rich burgundy. Whether it's a statement wall, colorful throw pillows, or artwork, these colors pop against neutral backdrops, adding energy and personality to your space. Smart and sustainable tech. In 2025, technology is making homes smarter and greener. We're seeing more energy-efficient devices and sustainable home tech. From smart thermostats and eco-friendly lighting to sustainable appliances, tech-savvy decor not only looks great but also saves energy and reduces waste. The future of decor is smart and sustainable. Luxe textures. Textures are going luxe. This year, it's all about plush, soft fabrics like velvet, silk, and boucle. These materials add a high-end feel to your home while making it extra cozy. Velvet sofas, silk cushions, or boucle chairs can bring an air of sophistication and comfort. Statement ceilings. One trend turning heads in 2025? Statement ceilings. Decorated ceilings are becoming the focal point, with bold paint, wallpaper, and even textured finishes like wood or tin tiles. A statement ceiling adds character to any room and draws the eye up, creating a dramatic look that makes the whole space feel more dynamic. Those are some of the hottest home decor trends for 2025. Which one will you try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest decor tips and trends. Until next time, happy decorating!